Nursery cartoon love, journey with Huram.
In a meadow bright where the sun kissed the grass lived 5 cheerful ducks with a hoe torn in sass. They quacked and they waddled, so lively and free, their laughter like ripples on a shimmering sea. One day by the pond as they splashed in delight, a horse trotted near, his coat gleaming bright. His name was Sir Gallop, majestic and bold, with eyes full of stories and wisdom untold. The ducks were amazed, they'd never seen such grace. They formed a small circle to welcome his face. "Oh noble Sir Gallop," quacked Daisy with glee, "will you join our adventures by land and by sea?" He chuckled in answer, a sound deep and warm, "I'd love to join in, let's create quite the charm." So off they all went, 5 ducks with their friend, to dance through the fields where horizons extend. Through valleys they pranced under skies painted blue, while Sir Gallop kept pace with each duckling anew. With every soft quack there arose something sweet, an echo of friendship that made their hearts beat. But soon came a shadow, a cloud of despair, for whispers of winter hung thick in the air. The ponds would freeze over, more splashes at play, and loneliness loomed like a thief on its way. Yet Sir Gallop stood firm as he sensed their fright. "Fear not, my dear friends, we'll find warmth in our light. Though ice may be cruel and days grow quite cold, together we'll cherish each moment we hold." So huddled together beneath starlit skies, the ducks shared their dreams while the horse listened wise. In tales spun from courage through trials they'd weave, that friendship's pure magic could help them believe. As winter embraced them with frosty white breath, 5 ducks with a horse learned to dance past such death. For warmth does not dwindle when hearts are aligned, in bonds forged through kindness true joy you will find. Seasons did change, the sun broke through gray, the pond sparkled back into life for play day. With joy overflowing like rivers set free, 5 ducks danced with their horse 'neath an old willow tree. So remember this tale of connection so grand, when unexpected friends take your heart in hand. Through laughter or sorrow or moments unplanned, life blooms in rich colors when shared across land.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Huram.